class. Kansas, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, Minnesota, Kentucky, where we live, North Carolina, Virginia, my bad. Where's Virginia? Mexico. Great place to go for the donkeys. I rode one, it was fun. It was just like riding a horse. Texas. I was going to go there, but I'm scared of the Chainsaw Massacre. What's his name? I don't know his name. Glasses. New pair, small. North Carolina. Las Vegas. Where I want to go and probably live. What is that? I look at my phone. Wisconsin, Michigan, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine. What's your faces? What's your faces? What's your faces? What's your faces? Ohio.
And goodbye.